Another thing that is really essential to know about while working with Linux is the editor. So let's talk about editors a bit. Why are editors so important? Well, editors are important because Linux configuration happens normally by modifying text files. Plain ASCII text is used for many files. But there are some alternatives as well, like YAML, which is common in configuration management, like Ansible, or JSON, which is used often as a data storage format, or XML, which can be used as an alternative to JSON and YAML. In order to use all of these files, you need an editor. And editors can modify text files without adding any formatting code. That is what is important about editors. There are two common editors on Linux, and these are Nano and Vim. Let's talk a little bit about Nano. Nano is the easy-to-use editor. After starting it, you can start editing text immediately. And commands are shown as keyboard shortcuts in the lower part of the screen. Let's go check it out. All right, let me type Nano, my file. When I'm using an editor, I like to specify the name of the file that I want to edit, or if the file does not exist, the file I want to create. So I'm using Nano, my file, and this is bringing me the Nano interface. What is so convenient about Nano? Well, I can start typing my text immediately, like, hello, this is my file. And we can see all the available options in the lower part of the screen. There are two types of options. There are options that start with caret. Caret is control sign. So Control X is what you are going to use to exit. There are also options that start with what we call the meta key. The meta key on most keyboards is the Alt key. You won't use them very much. The most often used option is Control X. So let me do a Control X. The rest of it is happening in the lower part of the screen. So save modified buffer, yes. So as you can see, I need to press Y for yes. And then file name to write. Well, I already provided the file name, so I'm just pressing enter and the file has been saved. Can we check that? Yes, we can. ls-l on my file. Hey, did you see that? This is what we call bash completion. I'm typing in M, then I press the tab key, and as I have one file only that has a name starting with an M, here we can see the file exists. And that's the file that we just created. And that's how easy it is to work with Nano. But still, even if Nano is so very easy, most people are using another editor. Let's talk about the other editor.